Hello friends, today we have Lenovo Tab and customer have forgotten its pin lock code. I already explained to customer that you lose all information and data saved inside this tab. Let me show you that this tab is locked with a pin code. After turning on, I will be happy to assist you in removing it. Please follow me towards the end of this video for further instructions. First of all, turn this tab off. Once completely shuts off, then press and hold volume up, volume down, and power button same time. After holding these three buttons, when you see logo is appearing, then leave power button but keep press, holding both volume buttons. When you see Android recovery option, then you can leave these buttons as well. And tab is now in recovery options. Now, select the factory data reset option with help of volume buttons and power button to enter. It will take less than a minute to format the device. Now you get option to reboot the device. After rebooting, it will take some time to configure the system to bring it to the initial setup. Now, you can connect to Wi-Fi for internet to complete the setup. Here, it will ask same Gmail ID and password which was used in this tab before formatting. So you can add that Gmail ID to continue to set up. However, if you've forgotten your used Gmail ID and password, then you can click top for Lenovo Tab FRP video. I hope you liked the video. We wish you the best of luck for your repairing. And we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.